How to make Google Docs 8.5x11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your Google Docs page size to the standard 8.5 by 11 inches. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Sign in with your email and password if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, open the Google Docs file you want to edit. And if you don't have one yet, just create a new blank document. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down, select Page Setup. This is where you can control the layout of your document. Inside the Page Setup window, you'll see a section for page size. Click on the drop-down menu, and from the list of options, select letter 8.5x 11 inches. This is the standard paper size used in the US and Canada. Once you've selected it, just click OK. And that's it. Your document is now perfectly set to 8.5 by 11 inches, ready for printing or sharing in the correct format. So, whether you're working on assignments, creating flyers, or preparing formal reports, knowing how to set the right page size is an essential step to keep your documents looking professional and polished. That's all for the video.